This is how you make €1,000 a week in your beauty business. You take €1,000, you divide it by the cost of your service, i.e. €50 for a set of lashes, which means I have to do 20 sets of lashes to make €1,000. But wait, it's not that simple. You have to take into account the cost of doing those lashes. So when I say cost, I don't just mean the cost of the product. I mean the cost of your time, the cost of your electricity, the cost of your insurance, and so many other variables that come into what it costs you to do those lashes. So you need to break down the cost of the product, the cost of your electricity, the cost of your insurance, the cost of your time. Your time is the most valuable thing that you own. It's the only thing that you don't get back, so you need to make sure that you're charging enough for your time. If it's taken you 2 hours to do a set of lashes, you need to be charging more than €50. I'm Sarah Naylor. I'm going to teach you how to do the lashes, plus get the customers, plus create the prices that make you as profitable so that you don't have to work as hard as other people do to make the money that they want to. My Beauty Business in the Box course for lashes starts on the 9th of March at 11:30 in Tala. If you want to sign up, you're going to learn how to do classic lashes, hybrid lashes and volume lashes. Plus, you're going to learn how to earn the money that you want to earn to live the life that you want to live. So I can teach you how to make €1,000 a week, €2,000 a week, €500 a week, or €50 a week. Whatever it is that you want to earn, not what I want you to earn. I'd love you to earn as much as you possibly can, but I'll teach you whatever it is that you need to live the life that you want to live. SarahNaylorAcademy.ie, that's where you can sign up, or send me a DM, or follow for more tips on how to nail it in your beauty business.